Hello guys, so today we have got an unboxing video. Again, not quite sure what this one is. I am waiting on a few things. I really do hope that it is what I think it is. So let's have a look. I haven't done a video in a few days, so sorry about that to begin with. There you go. Right, let's have a look. It's quite well packed. So it is the Ghost X from Drift Innovations. I had a bit of a problem with this, that I ordered it last Monday. I had an email last Tuesday saying it was going to be delivered. Now on their website it says 2 to 4 days. I waited 6 days and then I emailed Drift with a little bit of to and fro in. I was told that someone, or that they would look into it. I didn't get an answer off of them, so I emailed them that night. Then got told that it would be, or it was sent out yesterday, and that there was a problem with their factory. So I know quite a few people that use the Drift, and the customer service is normally very good. But I found with ordering this, I could have gone and got it from a shop quite local to me a lot quicker. However, I did use a 10% voucher. It was $129.99, and I got 10% off. So I'm glad it's here. And let's open it and have a look and see what we get. This is hopefully going to help me do quite a few more videos. So we'll see. Like I say, I know quite a few people that use these, and the quality is quite good, which is why I went for it really. I don't quite like the for the crash helmet. I don't quite like having the GoPro. It's a massive, quite a big thing, which I don't really want sticking out the side of the crash helmet. This is quite compact. So it's been very well packed. So there we go. So inside the box we've got the Drift X, and I don't know if I'm supposed to take the back off or not. And to be honest, if the back was supposed to come off, I think it would be a little bit easier. So it doesn't seem like it. There you go. So what have we got apart from stickers on our fingers? So we've got the Drift Ghost X, supported on the back by this mount, and I think what you do is you have to unscrew that off of that front screw in the middle there. Unscrew that, it comes off. It is very compact, quite a nice camera. We have in the box two mounts with 3M stickers on. and that is quite really sticky, so that's quite good. We have the mini USB charger, and we have the mini adapter for the microphone. I didn't buy the microphone off Adrift. It was about £17 for the mic, but I do have this small Sony stereo microphone, which I'm going to try out with it. So a quick guidebook in loads of different languages, and that just goes through everything. What I will do is, as I'm setting this up, I do have to charge it for about 2.5 hours, I believe. What I will do is, once it's charged, I will do another video on how I'm setting this up, and then what I shall do after that is install the 128 card that I brought the other day, ready for the camera. Once it's all charged, I will go through the setting up, and then I'll do another video on the quality. And for now, thanks very much for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and if you are a subscriber, click the bell and you will be alerted on any new videos that come up. And for now, that's it, and I will be back shortly with a setting up video. Cheers.